Hey, it's that time again, back with another sneak peek, taking a look at the new rides you're going to be seeing this coming week. We've got a handful of new ones on the lot, pretty interesting mix. I think you're going to like it. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on the first look of all the new rides each week. While we're making our way to the new rides, I'm going to briefly go over the existing inventory just as a refresher. First up, this one looks familiar, a 1969 Plymouth Roadrunner, priced at $37,900. Next up, we got a 1972 Chevy Chevelle, asking $32,900. This one's an eye catcher, a 1969 Pontiac GTO, asking price of $34,900. Right ahead of some new inventory is this 1969 Chevy Chevelle, asking $25,900. And making our way to a new ride on the lot this week, this 1959 Chevy Biscayne, priced at $31,900. Moving along to a couple of rides you've seen before, this 1964 Chevy Impala, $29,900. Don't overlook its next door neighbor, this 1996 Chevy Impala SS, with an asking price of $29,900. Coming up on another new ride, this might be my favorite on the lot this week, we'll see. It's a 1965 Ford Mustang, priced at $24,900. know you saw this one in the background, another new ride, 1970 Ford Mustang Fastback, asking $34,900. And a few of our old favorites here, 1967 Chevy Camaro, $34,900. 1972 Chevy Nova, $25,900. A 67 Camaro convertible, the price tag of $34,900. And how could we forget this standout, a 1951 Chevy Deluxe two-door hardtop for $22,900. Finishing up this row with a new ride, a 1953 Chevy 210, asking $25,900. Another new ride, don't have a price on this 67 Ford Mustang yet, but check maplemotors.com around midday Monday. Price should be available then. back-to-back-to-back new inventory at 1965 Pontiac Bonneville with a price tag of $18,900. More current inventory, another 1996 Chevy Impala SS, this one priced at $16,900. I have a feeling this one will be gone soon. This is a 1970 Chevy El Camino, priced at $20,900. And right next door, the same year, Chevy Monte Carlo for only $16,900. And we're going to finish out this row with another favorite, this 55 Chevy 210, asking $37,900. That was a pretty good one this week. I would have to say my favorite would be the 65 Ford Mustang with the 67 coming in a close second. That fastback is not to be dismissed. Let me know in the comments below what was your favorite this week. They're all going to make for some fun test drives this week. I'm looking forward to it. I want to thank you guys for watching. I'm looking forward to seeing which one was your favorite, and I'll see you next time.